All right. Well, hey, everybody. I am pumped. Why am I pumped? Ask me why I'm pumped. Matt, why are you pumped? Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm pumped because I'm finally rolling out a new feature that we've been working on for a really long time. And it's an AI feature that we are hopeful will be really of use to people. So let's just, you know what? Matt, stop talking. Let's go. Well, don't stop talking, but let's go and check this out. So I'm going to go to, if you didn't see what I just did, I went to resources, and view resource. Like, just remember resource. All right. And this is called Auction GPT. And you're like, whoa, Matt, you've had this out for like a year. That is true. But historically, our Auction GPT chat was really just an enhanced, not even really enhanced. It was just Chat GPT put on our website. Just trying out some new stuff, using OpenAI's API, blah, blah, nerd talks, blah, blah. But now we actually are doing something very cool. And let's just illustrate it by showing you what. Let's see, what are some high selling auction items? And I just hit send, and it's going to say sending up to 1 minute because it's going into ChatGPT's language models and getting some ideas to spit back out, which is what it always did. But we've taken our production data, years and years and years of production data that we've used, and we've done anonymization where we take away the first name, last name, phone, email address, and we've put this into a separate data set. So again, trying to make sure that everything we do is, with a lot of security and integrity and privacy, so that no AI actually looks at our platform data. That's sacred. But then we vectorize it, and you can run queries against it, and they're language queries, and then the AI models will actually ask it and try to bring data back. So all right, here we go. The Waikiki Beach Marriott Resort and Spa 2-night oceanfront room sold for $760. 1-night staycation in the Fort Worth at Hope Crescent Hotel. So it's giving you some real data from ClickBid that we've had. Now, what does this tell me? Well, here we go. Some general insights. High demand experiences like hotel stays and staycations tend to attract strong bids. Branded gift certificates and spa services seem to perform well. So this is information. Not, you could go out to ChatGPT and ask this, but you wouldn't get this kind of specific for the, within the event fundraising space. And you're like, well, I don't remember where to go, Matt. Well, it's at try.cbo.io, resources, and Auction GPT Insights. But I got a better way to get at it. If you open up ChatGPT, then you go to GPTs, and it'll let you explore. And you can, I don't know if you've done this. This is pretty cool. Like you can get all kinds of cool GPTs, like Write For Me, Supercharged Writing Assistant, astrology birth charts, interesting, Humanize AI, image generator, and so on. But if you search for ClickBid, which it's already showing you, so it kind of gave away the surprise, we have a ClickBid search built in ChatGPT. So you just start a chat and you ask it the same question. What are some high selling auction items? Now, ChatGPT is going to have, no, it actually is going to ask you a clarifying question. Any item at any event, please. So I'm having a dialogue. And so now, look, it's giving us it's giving us really good, clear information from ClickBid and from other sources like Charity Buzz. And so we're not just forcing it to use ClickBid data in these results, but it actually takes the data, puts it into the large language model, and uses it as one big context to spit back out an answer for you to use. Great for things like what kind of mass messages can I use? Because this actually goes into it does go into our platform and our knowledge base. And for instance, if I wanted to say, how do I import bidders into my ClickBid account, and it will actually use our knowledge base articles and give you the answer. So you can actually ask our chat, Chat GPT, these questions, and it will give you an answer back. So this is something we're really excited about. We're trying to expand the ability of AI to help us, our human team at ClickBid, when we're not available, after hours, or we're already on a demo, or we're on a phone call or a support ticket. AI can help kind of fill in some of those gaps and give you some input. We're always still available. You can always submit a ticket to us as a valuable ClickBid customer, and we'll get back to you. We have some of the highest response rates in the industry. And so, but this is another way to get some really cool help and give you some great ideas. Ask any question you like, and AI will respond and give you some great ideas. All right. Well, thank you very much. And again, this is why I'm so pumped. So now you know.